Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross. Now of course it is finished in this lovely silver metallic, but you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, front parking sensors. You also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on them. You've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top here. Then inside the tailgate we've got plenty of room, including three-way splitting rear bench which will fold flat with the boot floor. You've also got power tailgate, so you tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then walking around the car again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car we've got black leather with partial brown as well. You've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric automatic windows all around. Inside we've got your automatic gearbox as well, which you can see just here in the middle. We've got dual climate control with two front heated seats. Then we have your infotainment display. This has your various media sources along the top. You've then got Bluetooth hands-free and satellite navigation as well, which you can see just there. Then over to the steering wheel. We've got your onboard computer controls on the left with your volume and voice assistant down below. Over to the right you've got your track select, source and adaptive cruise control settings just there. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 12,110 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Yaris Cross, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.